everyone, my name is Karen Escabat, I'm from Grade 5 Santiago. Because of pandemic, social media is important for us because it helps our studies and online business. When it comes to business, you need to consider on your budget, target market, and business plans. So today I'm going to make ice candy. So here are the ingredients we need to make it. First, I got the pitcher. It got 220 ml of water. Next, a Milo pack. Inside of it, it has 24 grams. Next, you need the plastic. The size of it is 1 3/4. Next, we have the scissors, the teaspoon, and the funnel. So the 3 words that I'm going to use for this is cutting. I'm going to use the scissors to cut the Milo. Next, mixing. I'm going to use the teaspoon to stir the Milo in the pitcher. Next, pouring. Pouring is that I'm going to put the Milo inside the plastic. So let's do it. So first, you're going to need to cut. Next, you're going to need to open the pitcher. As you can see, I'm stirring it or mixing it. After, you're going to pour this here. As you can see, I already did. So you're going to need to put it in the fridge for 1 hour. But I already made one earlier. So let's see the final product. So here it is, the final product. As you can see, it turned into solid. So let me tell you about what's the difference about freezing and melting. So the difference about it is freezing is liquid to solid and melting is solid to liquid. As you can see, what's the difference here? So they're opposite. So this is all for today. Bye!